We're live. Awesome. Hello, everybody. Welcome, KicknGravelers, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Thursday, December 13th, 2018. This year is quickly running out. Let's grab some coffee. Oh, boy. I like that flavored stuff. That is real good. That's tasty. It looks like we are right at $108 billion on CoinMarketCap. Let's jump into the markets on Bitcoin. BTC USD on the one-day chart for Coinbase, we have $3,376 for Bitcoin currently. We're getting a little slippage here. Yesterday was looking quite nice with a little bit of green. Today we're showing a little bit of red, but mostly it's just sideways action here. We're just in total neutral mode. The market's trying to decide what to do. If we draw some trend lines, this might give us a little better picture. Maybe. Let's try just cutting through it like that. And we'll take a look at this guy here. So could we be forming a bit of a wedge here? You know, this bull wedge where we break out to the upside. It's possible, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's possible. But more than anything, I don't think that's happening. I'm not going to remove that, but let me just show you what I kind of see happening here. I think really, all in all, we're just going to form this this bear wedge here, and probably, I hate to be that guy. Yeah. That looks about right. But we can move it over here, right? Something like that, I think, might play out. This support is probably going to be tested again here soon, and if it touches again, I mean, we've got too many localized touches here, and nothing really wanting to go higher. Also on my indicators, you know, volume's kind of leaving the building. RSI's coming up, but, you know, that's kind of it has been coming up this whole time, right? And not really performing. So I think what's going to happen is it's just going to turn right back down, and then we're going to see some dumpage happen at the same time. Chalkin's money flow. Money's flowing out, so yeah, it doesn't look good here, fellas. Might not be a good time to be in this old Bitcoin. Let's wait and see. Let's see what happens. If it breaks bullish or bearish, we shall see. How about if we move into Litecoin just to check the price? $23.92. This is what the chart looks like here. Just a lot of sadness. We're going to skip over the other coins here for Coinbase and jump right into Tron, TRX. Tron continuing to run up on the daily. So it's showing some real strength here. I'm going to, what do I see here? So this was our top roughly. We kind of had a double top around there. So it would be nice to see this guy kind of, let me give us a little more room. There you go. Okay. It would be nice to see this guy here run all the way up to the top. So I'm just showing you what we have for potential on the run up. Right like that. Okay. So that is quite possible. It's still looking good. It's still moving. So yeah, I'm liking Tron right now. I don't have really any hint of a sell signal yet. It's actually going to get another boost here if RSI turns right around and goes higher, and money's coming in now some more. So yeah, looking good. Digibyte continuing its downtrend. Yep, it's yeah, not looking good at all. Theta. Theta is given a green candle here and is just basically running neutral since it's fall. So yeah, look for Theta to just kind of recoup and regather before making a decision on what to do, either higher or lower. Here is Proppy, Pro. Proppy is going down. Yep. Populous is going down, but I'm seeing more sideways action than anything right now. We could see a reversal here if volume picks up. Okay, OMG. Omisego could see some bullish action here soon. Let's keep an eye on this guy going above the 9-day moving average. Jumping into Pay 10X is roaring to the top. Looking good, looking good. You are clear to buzz the tower. It's above the 9-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day moving average. We've punched through the Kumo cloud with absolute authority. Let's take a look at these guys here. Where could we stop? Well, we probably are going to hit some resistance right about here right now. So I'm going to throw this in here as, you know, a possible top, right? And if that doesn't work, maybe this is a possible top, but we shall see. I don't have a reversal here yet. Might be time to start taking a little bit of profits off the top and start, you know, this might be a close time. But again, I'm not selling yet until I get a clear reversal. I want to trade with the trend. Here is Human IQ. Humanique is going down, straight and sideways basically, but Stellar Lumens, still no sign of action. Ripple, XRP, trading sideways, nothing yet. How about, let's get into ADA. ADA, it could break to the upside here. That would be kind of nice, but we shall see. Tomorrow will tell us a little bit more. Tezos. Well, it looks like Tezos kind of started running higher and then got shy, so it's pulling away. Pundi X, actually was looking pretty good and then kind of fell out of bed here in the last day on this day candle. QLC, nothing yet. Aeon. This one's actually looking promising. Hopefully we'll get some more bullish continuation, but it's close. It's got everything there. It's got all the ingredients. It just needs to mix them together and make it happen. Okay, Bitcoin Cash. Yesterday we were talking about this. Yeah, it's falling out of bed here. This is not good. I think you need to be out of this for sure. I wouldn't be in this right now. So, you know, yesterday we were worried on this, and today it's not looking good either. So, yeah, it's just better just to stay out of it for right now. I think this thing is going to continue going down. That was my initial reaction. Here is Dogecoin, still running. What I tell you about that yesterday's video, thought we'd see a little upside here, right? We get punched through that Kumo cloud at least. Yeah, it's setting a triangle here, but I think we're gonna see some topside action here soon. All right, guys, that's it for today. On the crypto markets. If you want to hang on, I'd love to go over some traditional markets with you, but otherwise I'm done with Bitcoin for now. Let's check out gold. Yeah, okay, so we drew this parallel trend channel here, and I was thinking after we tested this bottom a while back ago that we would come up and touch up here, right? And we're heading that way. So we shall see. A lot of good news for gold lately. So hang on to your seats. Silver. We were hoping for another touch here at support, but it came down, rallied, and then went higher. That is so great. My projection was off a little bit. We got to readjust that, but you can see that we could pull it up there, and we got a real nice bounce for silver. Silver on the day chart, looking pretty good. We're gonna have some resistance here once we get to our all-time high where we got our double top. So let's see about silver going to there and then hopefully punch through. So there's our next target. We're at almost $15. 14.91 would be our target. US Brent crude oil. Oh boy. Okay, so if you zoom out on this bad boy, you can see how we're working in this parallel trend channel, right? I thought we'd come down here and get a bounce, but it broke through. Okay, it got to my target price, but it broke through. So it's trading sideways real hard right here. I think the market's trying to decide what to do. Now, if it trades into a triangle, it's possible to break to the downside. It is possible. I know oil's low, but it could go lower. So otherwise, it'll probably be a little bit of. My initial reaction is that this will be a slow recovery, kind of slowly coming back up. But yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll keep an eye on it. Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're checking out the 1 day here. Okay. We've seen a lot of slippage here. Let's put in a support line, say something like that. And you can tell the market does not want to come down to this line here. It's just hovering. So we shall see. Now, I have this line started to draw here because I'm split. My mind is split. So one is that we go all the way up. We follow this line up, right? And it goes up, and then there's our target at like 100,000. 100K Dow Jones, right? Because if you look at this from the eyes of like let's get into the week chart. There you go. So a lot of markets want to run parabolic, and if you know anything about the hyperwave, so you have your flat area right here that you trade in, and it never goes above that. And then so that's phase 1. You got your phase 2 line, which is right here, and now we're entering phase 3. So phase 3 line would start running up in more of a 45, and then it will run higher, almost straight up towards the end in a phase 4. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see that was put here. I put that in a while back ago, maybe about 2 months ago, because I am watching these markets and I am a bit concerned about it. But again, we shall see. It's possible that it just breaks down here and whatever and doesn't full on go hyperwave on us. But if it does, in your in stocks, this could be a really good thing for 401k holders. Yeah, so we're looking at gold. We're also looking at the Dow Jones and seeing, who's going to win out. Or is it going to be Bix Weir and the hodlers talking about, gold being the new standard, or is the Dow Jones with stock and fake money going to rule the day and then this run up? So we just don't know how this is going to play out. But we shall see. This is S&P 500 right here. You can see the S&P is got a little bit of slippage, but working on this week's chart, we got some green. Hopefully we can fight and battle and get above the Kumo cloud from here. How about well, this Lawson right here is a company I used to work at a while back ago, and I've just kind of been tracking this to see how this works. Lawson Products sells industrial tools and supplies, and with the idea of Trump bringing industry back to the U.S., that has really helped the stock run higher. So I'm just watching it and seeing, because it's a company that I really know a lot about, and yeah, I'm just kind of curious at how it's going to perform through that. Here's Facebook. Yes. All right. I love seeing this. It's getting a bounce at the 200-day. This is kind of a dead cat bounce, I think, and then probably fall lower, because as we get into the FANG stocks, Facebook, here's Apple looking the same. Amazon, not as bad, because remember the other ones are at the 200-day, so this is not as bad, but Amazon is battling a little harder. Netflix, oh yeah, kind of in between the other two, but very not looking good at all. Probably just getting a little dead cat bounce here and then falling lower. Google, how is the Google? Ooh, Google not looking good either. Yeah, it's got to get above that Kumo cloud. So let's move into Tesla, because Overstock, remember, they're going full 100% into crypto. We got a little bump, back then, about a couple weeks back, and then it's been falling off ever since. So let's move on to Tesla. Tesla stock is running higher. Look at this all-time high, and let's see if it can get above that. Okay, it's really been on a real nice run, so we shall see. Ford, oh yeah, Ford's in the dumps right now. $8. I got a buddy who was looking at buying it back here. He probably did okay. GM looking okay, not too bad. It's getting a little bounce here. Hopefully we get continuation of the upside for them. Starbucks, oh boy, I'll drink to that. Here you go. $66.61. Right around a new all-time high. Looking good. Yeah, good thing for Starbucks. Hopefully they start taking crypto here soon. EOS is in the toilet. Aha! This is EOS on Bitcoin with the 1 week with Binance. Let's switch back over to the day. I wasn't really going to do that. And then the Nikkei. I'm sorry, let's switch that over to the week. Nikkei is looking okay. Good job, Japan. Okay, and then which one is this? Oh, Dick's Sporting Goods. A lot of drama around them. Kind of banning assault rifles and this and that. I'm curious about how this is negatively affecting them. Getting a big red day here, or red week. So, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Dick's Sporting Goods. I don't know, man. It doesn't look good over there. Been over there too. It's getting more and more like a ghost town all the time. I think the stocks are actually behind where the actual store is at as far as sales and things like that. So this may have a little bit more down to go. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for visiting and hanging out with me. I will talk to you later. Have a blessed day, and I'm out.